Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google One beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type google.com in the address bar and press enter. In the top right corner, click on the sign in button. Enter your Google account credentials and click next. Once you are signed in, go to the Google One website by typing one.google.com in the address bar. On the Google One homepage, you will see various plans available. Take a moment to review the storage options and their respective prices. Choose the plan that best suits your needs by clicking on the Get Started button. You will then be directed to a page that provides more details about the selected plan. Click the Next button to proceed with the subscription process. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields with your credit or debit card details. After entering your payment information, review the summary of your subscription. Ensure that all information is correct before proceeding. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message. To manage your subscription, return to the Google One homepage at any time. Here, you can view your storage use, upgrade your plan, or cancel if needed. Congratulations on taking the first step to enhance your Google storage experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.